So here we have this huge black silicone mat. Now this is all those different things like food safe, heat resistant, non-slip, non-stick, and everything like that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I use it. I'm a woodworker, so I do a lot of glue ups, and those can be really messy. And it's especially annoying when the glue drips onto my table, and if I don't catch it in time, it ruins my table. Now I've used a bunch of smaller silicone mats before, and they're great for catching all my glue drips and protecting my table. And as you can see, the glue is already starting to bunch up, and that's just because it doesn't want to stick to the silicone. So I'll go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll show you how easy it is to peel off. All right, there we go. It's been about 12 hours, and you can see the glue here is pretty much all dry now, and I can just run my finger across it, and it starts to peel off. Looks like there's a bit of wet glue under this one though. But apart from that, super easy to clean, so I'll go ahead and clean this off right now. And there we go, it's pretty much all cleaned off. I just used a wet rag to get all the little pieces, and that made it super easy. And then when you're done, you can easily roll it up just like this and stick it in a drawer. Also, I forgot to mention that this one actually came with this elastic band hair tie thing, and that just helps to keep it all together. So if you want a mat to make your arts and crafts projects a lot easier to clean up, or you're a woodworker and are tired of ruining your table with glue, then this is a great mat for you.